Anilox scoring is a common challenge in the print industry, often resulting in undesirable marks or lines on the printed material. These score lines occur when the Anilox surface is scratched by the doctor blade or by debris trapped between the blade and the roll during production. This debris can include dried ink, paper dust, worn blade fragments, or even ceramic particles from the Anilox roll itself. Once you know the causes, you can take the steps to reduce the risks. Let's start with ceramic particles. These can come loose if engravings are too extreme or the Anilox surface isn't properly polished. To avoid this, follow the Apex guidelines for maximum BCM volume per LPI. Also, ensure that Anilox is polished correctly before adding a new Anilox to your inventory. Doctor blades can be the hero or the villain when it comes to preventing score lines. So here's what you should do. Firstly, replace blades regularly as they wear down. Avoid dirty or incorrectly sized blades. Make sure the ink chamber and components are aligned correctly. Use high quality doctor blades as they wear more evenly. And lastly, plastic blades are more rigid but can still cause scoring if debris gets trapped underneath. Choose carefully based on your production needs. Excessive pressure can lead to damage, so keep these following tips in mind. Maintain the chamber pressure between 2 to 4 bar. Train operators to apply minimal pressure on the doctor blade, and keep the ink system clean, as debris in the ink can cause scoring. To avoid score lines, here's how to troubleshoot effectively. Firstly, check chamber alignment and pressure settings. Replace worn doctor blades promptly. Use magnets and filters to remove steel debris or larger particles. Avoid reusing contaminated ink as it could damage more rolls. And most importantly, don't let the Anilox run dry. This creates friction and accelerates damage. By understanding the causes and taking these simple preventative measures, you can minimize Anilox scoring, improve print quality, and extend the lifespan of your equipment. For more tips and solutions, contact Apex. We're here to help you optimize your Anilox performance.